Manipur University ki Vice Chancellor hapagi matangda thokliba wathok amasu ngapigani emsu na hakchin lawi akanba miyeng changlagani haina mahirulub asagi maikaidagi phongdorakli emsu ki Publicity and Information Secretary Yumnang Clinton mangana khuyek piduna thadorpa cherol amada Manipur University da hojik Vice Chancellor in charge khanbaga mari lenena thokliba wathok asi emsu na hakchin lawi University asagi Vice Chancellor oina Thopuramba Professor N Lokendrana mahaki matam loiraba matung Department of Physics ki Professor Sumitra Fanjawambu BC in charge ki thogai punaba MU ki register na haukiba megitang taruk ta notice ama thoki matang asida MSU na Manipur University Authority da haine hangning badi karigi damakta regular Vice Chancellor ama loiram daida in charge ki thogai punaba mangjona na visitor amadi Ministry of Education ki ayaba loba nang hodribano asigumba soiba leiba manba maramasina Vice Chancellor in charge ki wathok asi lakhalakpani machak oinabra haibagi chingnabadu MC na fawi makata na Manipur University eki matung ina senior most professor da BC leitaba matamda in charge ki thogai pigadaba dugi mahutta amuk ministry gi of Education na Professor Ganga Prasad Person Department of Commerce MU bu Vice Chancellor in charge oina hablaki hiramasida Ministry of Education Government of India amadi University Authority ki matangda chamamnaba lairibasi maruena University asigi leijariba status amadi rule asi University ki higher authority oiba Ministry of Education amadi visitor na supersede tobagi ayaba laibra haibadu mahiroi amadi miyamna khanafam thui amaronda Manipur taibang mahikol asigi yanglen saru oiba academic and examination block thong lo libasi hangdokpi naba amadi taibang mahikol asi yariba makai ingna chikna mahi tamhanana ba khotna bada mateng pangbinaba mayamgi mafamda appeal tawrakli nakalamarom Manipur University ki issue asida professorship ki seniority gi achauba chayinabagi wafam yawraklaba issue asida Oja Singh community bu represent Obiriba Manipur University Teachers Association Mutana wafom mata phongduktana tuminna leiba haibisi angapa fawi makata na University asida lanai interest kharagi damakta issue sagatpa amadi matamatamgi ningthau semba yawba miyoi kharagi mi chawna tabagi mawong uhalibasi mahiroi singna ifongfongna uba phangi asigumba miyoi khupu sing asi makata na tawdanaba MSU na Jackson warol thamlakli Manipur taibang mahikol asigi matangda VC khanbagi matangda hojik lairiba chainariba lairibasi athubada loishinduna academic atmosphere kaidaba progressive oiba university ama oiba ngamnana ba khonabada mayamna sogapi haina MSU gi maiketigi aroibada cherol asida appeal tawrakli